In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sessions indicator on Tradingview, a helpful tip for navigating trading sessions effectively. Let's begin by opening up Tradingview. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the chart you're working on. In order to add some helpful indicators, our next move will involve locating the Indicators section within Tradingview's interface. This feature is your gateway to a range of indicators that can provide vital information about trading sessions. When you click on Indicators, you're greeted with a search bar. Here, what you need to do is type in the word session. This will streamline your search, helping you quickly access the sessions indicator we're focusing on today. Now, from the search results, look for Sessions Lux Algo. This is the specific indicator we'll be using. Clicking on Sessions Lux Algo will load this indicator on your chart. This is an essential step as it adds useful visual elements that break down different trading sessions, aiding in better decision making. You'll next see an option that says Highlight. By clicking on this option, you'll be activating the ability to emphasize specific session parameters within the indicator. This can simplify data interpretation by showcasing patterns and trends more clearly on your chart. After clicking on Highlight, another tab will typically open, offering additional customization features. Here, take your time to adjust the settings to your preference. Once satisfied with the customizations, click OK. This will apply your settings and tailor the visual representation of trading sessions according to the adjustments you've chosen. You might then be presented with the highlight option once again. Don't worry if this feels repetitive. It's just part of the process to ensure different parts of the indicator are set up correctly. Repeat the click to secure any parts of the indicator settings that need highlighting. Keep an eye out for any further highlight options that come up. Each time, click through as previously, ensuring all necessary settings are enabled. It can feel a bit repetitive, but it's a necessary step to guarantee everything is correctly highlighted for optimal clarity. Last but not least, you'll see the OK button requiring your confirmation again. By clicking this, you finalize the setup of the sessions indicator, locking in all the highlights and customizations you've completed during this process. With the sessions indicator now properly set up on your TradingView chart, you are well equipped to analyze distinct trading sessions with ease, allowing you to make more informed trading decisions. As you engage with your charts moving forward, this setup will provide clear insights and facilitate a smoother trading experience. Thank you for following along and happy trading.